All Khasi Hills Achik Federation kabadega seng jong gipat Garo pasyang basa Ri Khasi kala Aipor taiew ya Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bakan wengno amardor ya hukum jongka kaba khang ki Garo bakin pat ya kam Rangbah Shnong Shnong bahab hapo uput usam jong council hagani ga jengalang lawan simentaru da kinong yalam ka AKHAF Women's Wing ka Ripoy District bakan tup ya President Sermina Di Marak Vice President Sunita CH Momen kinong yalam ka sengkme bakan tup ya President Cliftus CH Marak badu General Secretary Manuel CH Marak bat QA. Haba ajin kren Manuel CH Marak bat ka Sermina Di Marak kilapit pa ya jing smokia halor ka jing kno yu rot ka KHADC ya ka Hoksen Shnong de ki Garo Shnong basyong basa de ki pat Garo Ri Khasi. Kilo ang makahukum jang ka KHADC kadai ka bakta amat yong bat pinmong ya ka jing sngo jang ki pat Garo ki basyong basa Shnong baper Ri Garo naduk kispas ne menshwa. Kilo ang makum ka bin Garo kim dan kanu ka jing sngo halor Shnong Khasi babat Rangbah Shnong do Khasi henry Shnong basa tangki Garo deben ailat hi Garo ban bat hi ya ka kam Rangbah Shnong.
So we the Garo community, so we have right to practice our traditional culture in our village or in the society. So we are practicing this cultural, traditional cultural. So as per our concern, so we have seen that if there is no headman in the village, so how he will lead the village? So that is the main thing. So here we can understand that, and every community has their head. So I know that Garo, from the Garo community, has their traditional head in the Garo Hills, and here in the Khasi Hills region, it has the Khasi traditional head. So, but one thing that here we want to say that, and we want to explain our grievances that. So, since we the tribal and the community of this area, community of this Khasi Hills region,
an object.
Thank you for everything, first of all, for your coming and helping us to disclose our plan and our sentiments. Our motto and our demand is we have been seeing that what this KHADC has resolution has passed in the KHADC. So it's a very much sentiment to the Garo people, those who are residing in the Khasi Hills area.